What's going on, guys? Hobbin Godefa here. Today's message of the day is do not be desperate. The universe does not reward desperate energy. A lot of times in life, people will put so much weight into the things that they want, whether it be money or a job or a girlfriend or boyfriend, and you'll be like, man, I really need this money. I really need this job. I really need this opportunity. But what that does is that creates a sort of resistance towards you. It almost like is a repellent towards abundance and blessings, because abundance operates from the energy level of I have it. Everything I want, I have already, right? And so because life can only reflect back to you what you already are, if you are naturally a abundant person and you feel like you have everything already, then what that does is the universe reflects that back to you. So since your energy is positive and like attracts like, you'll attract more and more abundance. You'll attract more money. You'll attract the right spouse. You'll attract the right job, the right opportunity. You'll attract people that are similar to you and operating on the same frequency level. But I saying things like I want, or I need, and being desperate, in a sense, that's almost like, I don't even want to say a negative energy, but in a sense, it's a lower energy. And so what that does is you create more of that in your reality, because you're always saying that I want something or I need something, you're telling the universe that I live in lack, I don't have it, I need these things. And so you're already programming your subconscious to believe that you don't have these things and that you're a person that just doesn't have. And so the universe reflects that back to you, and you receive, not that you receive nothing, but you just receive things that you don't necessarily want. So again, just don't be desperate. We can even take the example of relationships, right? If, let's just say you like someone and you see them from a distance, or maybe they're your coworker, maybe they live in your neighborhood, whatever it may be, and you almost, in a sense, I don't want to say pay them no mind, but you almost just like see them, you acknowledge them, never do too much, right? It's just a little simple hi, maybe ask how they're doing, but you like them, and maybe it's clear that they like you as well too, but you don't push and push and shove, and you don't press up too much. You just kind of play your role. That person, in a sense, will want more of you because they're not getting enough of you, right? And your energy that you're conveying out to the universe is that, like, I'm secure, I'm confident, all of my needs are taken care of. But now, if that same person that you are attracted to, if you're just doing the most, asking them for their number, texting them 3-4 times a day, liking all their social media posts, just in a sense being thirsty, it might repel that person. That person may want nothing to do with you because they might think, yo, relax, like, you doing too much, like you asking too much of my time, you asking too much of me emotionally, like, we're not even in a relationship. If you're like this now, then I imagine that if we're in a relationship, you're going to be more even more annoying than what you already are. So it's just good to not be desperate, because the universe does not reward people that are desperate. And they do, but in a different sense. Forgive this dog. But yeah, that's just the moral of the story. And the reason of this post today is just don't be desperate, man. Nobody likes desperate energy. It's not fun to be around. It's annoying. It's exhausting. People like the people that are just very secure and they feel like they have it going on already and they're confident in not only themselves, but the life that they lead, and that they will be rewarded. And I truly believe that if you have a desperate energy, you will not get the things that you want. You will get the things that you are, which is just low, needy, energy in life. But if you believe that you are an abundant person, the universe is going to reflect that back to you, and you're going to receive nothing but blessings, and the universe is going to match you on frequency as far as the things that you want. All the universe can do is match you. All the universe can do is meet you where you already are. So if you are here, the universe is going to match you right there. If you are here, the universe is going to match you right here and reflect that back to you. But everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. So you cannot have the things you want that you are not willing to be vibrationally. So just think about that. Love y'all. Talk to y'all soon.